In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Koobee K100 smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to power the phone off, remove the battery from the phone. So right here, there's a slot. Okay, so just lift this up. And just peel gently around. Remove the battery, place it back in, replace the cover, okay, now with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time until the phone turns on. Once the phone turns on, you can then let go of all of the buttons. Okay. Okay, now let go. Okay, now recovery needs to be selected. If it's not selected, you would need to use the volume button to navigate to select recovery. So as you can see, that's how you go through which option you're looking for. So you would use the volume up button to select recovery. Now once recovery is selected, you then press the volume down button. Okay, the next thing you need to do, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data, Factory Reset. Now press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Factory Data Reset. Press the power button. Press the power button. And there you go, the hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like this video, and thank you for tuning in.